Okay, folks, you see that big limb that he's working on right there? Comes out of this cluster of trees, and the one that's leaning farthest over here on the left, that's precariously hanging right over his garage. And so they're going to work their way back into that. It's a bunch of walnut trees kind of gone wild, and so he's going to cut that back. Totally understand that. Very good call. You can see how they're all leaning here to the left, as it were, from the wind over the years, kind of blowing those right over. But I don't think that those are on his property. But if you got permission, and it doesn't really matter either. You can tell the landowner, either you pay for it or I will, or you pay my insurance premiums. And they'll say, go ahead and cut it. So you can see him trimming that off very well. All right. Little part of living in the woods. I would imagine that this right here today is going to cost him all of about a $2,000 bill. If it was even close to $1,500, I'd say he's got a pretty good deal. Tree trimming and taking care of things like that don't come cheap unless you do it yourself. And those can fall straight down to the ground. A lot of room back there. He has a wide open backyard till it gets to the fence. And the fence runs right along the big tree cluster right there. So he's a long ways away from that. All right. See him drop one more right here. Timber! There you go. All right. You don't think that'd be cold hanging out there in the wind like that if we had wind today? Cold enough as it is. I just checked, it's 22 degrees and no wind. Merry Christmas. Stay safe and warm.